You don't know it's DK representing the 876 music. Yes, I. You know what? Welcome back. A genuine artist on the platform. We have an interview with him before, man. A 1Vision. You see me? We are going to 1Vision. And you see me? Blessings, you see me? Welcome you back to the show, Aya. Make we know what we are going. You see me? With the music in 2025, because you release a couple out there right now and them are shot, you know.
See that?
Yeah, man.
Work never stop, still enough to tell you the truth now.
Really?
Work never stop, man. From the year start. Yeah, man. I put in the work, I drop over half dozen singles. Yeah, man. Half dozen singles, same way I represent. Right now, I have an album I come up.
Yes.
Target, you know?
Yes. Cool, man.
Real.
Come again. What you say you call it, the album? Prophecy.
Yeah, man.
That's the title.
Yes, because we are manifest and things are prophesied, you know?
Cool, man. Me like that. You see me?
Yes, sir.
So, let me know when I single them I have one right now where I say, yo, here we are going now. The one they gone out the road, cause from where I see I push out whole heap of work for real now 1Vision. I love that. You see me? I love that. I. The year we are going, let me know which one of them they out there right now. A couple of them.
Right, see, paper chaser though. Chaser.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That debut of an album same way. Yeah, man. The first tune of prophecy, you know.
Cool now, man.
Paper chaser and it a go and go to.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. A streaming, you don't know. People are playing it all about, you know. Yeah, man. Good recommendation me I get in, so you know.
Cool now, man.
Season, man. A piece of album me I tell you from there.
Yes, sir. I like how you're still there on the mission and you're not give up in an eye. You see me? Because you don't know the music is for each and every one of us. You see me?
Really?
And only for one for everybody. You see me? Yeah. So you want to give me one of them special there? You see me? Where you feel right now? You see me? Which one of them song them? I don't want you give me a cappella, galapella. You see me version? Warm up the session right now.
Naturally, man. I first one on the album same way I say a prophecy. Yeah, man. Cut the chat. Mama said no make them stray your mind. Out here me there chase your mind. Never waste no time, pay no mind. Sing song and make them hear my voice. Call legends stay alive. No fear if you try go and beat the pie. While it out fight and deny. Cause strength beneath the pain and hide. No fear no guide. The aim of sky put case aside. And member on a jail no nice. So stay no pine till great arrive. Like how Jaja feel the lake with joy. A vision of his stare blind. My whole faith and no job the hope. On the mission for attack. My goal it out. Detach me soul for crack the code. Better days that half is sure. Could have a strangler. This man could pour for chain and shackle bro for cantaloupe. Like a jug is where I angle coke. My plan for broke. Me stand for grow. Sleep on the floor till melodies turn antidote. Now stop and lift my tongue to sort right around the globe. 1Vision be known before my walk a champion's crown. Them now go live. Pissy man fall off, now ever give up. No time, you see my blood.
Straight, right, man.
Summer city, you know.
Yes, I.
Yeah,
yes,
man. See that album, I still my blood. Yeah, man. It's a 18-track album, you know.
Cool, man.
Mix with everything, man. You don't know. Represent the girl, let me talk them same, you don't know. Yeah, man. And the season.
Yeah. A variety of song. Variety.
I tell you, man. You never cap in it, you know.
Cool, man. So, tell me about one and two of them people where you work with from the other day, like, me see. Say for example, the paper chaser where you just said this a while ago. Yeah, the brother we do the video there.
Yeah, man, I 862 days, you know.
Cool, man. We have to big up them. We have to big up them people the same way, you see me?
Family that, man.
Yes, sir.
You did right, man. Same way you see presidential right. You never stop representing.
Cool, man. That's the 876 music, straight. One. Cool, man.
1Vision blood. For this life.
So, no tune in, people, you see me? Go on his page, on the Instagram, on the YouTube, on the Facebook, on the TikTok. 1Vision music. You see me? Check him out right now, you see me? If you go on the 876 music lineup official video, you find him video and I see him with man. You see me? Cause why? We work, you see me? We out there, you see me? Never stop. Cool no man. We there go and hold the vibe, man, you see me? So, with this new album, you see me? We can look out for some more videos.
Naturally.
Basically. Yes. As I say, the summer come up, so I probably want to give you a summer view upon the one day. You see me?
For real, you don't know. Yeah, man.
Nice one. We can touch the bumper people them and make them know so them feel good. And I say, yeah.
You see, you
The
know,
versatility.
naturally, man. You don't know me have a summer anthem. From them time there, you know.
Cool,
yeah,
man.
man.
Cool,
Summertime temperature rise, so not every day. Make we keep a pool party and celebrate. Don't have life, everything nice and you see a trace. Gun smoke but the bass, make we start the raving. Believe, man. The package, man. The package, man. Yeah, man.
Cooler, man.
Portion of collaboration, same way, you don't know.
Yeah.
Man.
So,
Man like J Chillan.
yeah, couple
You see me?
of the artists they may collaborate with.
Yeah, man. Avante, you see me?
Cooler, man.
Don't know, man. It's a
Straight.
video, man.
Straight.
Gun smoke, same way.
Straight up.
Yeah, man. The thing real father.
Real way.
You should go and put in the work. You don't know it's a hybrid production, you see me?
Straight.
876 same way, cause you don't know. Them man, they do most high visual for you get a youth, you see me?
And what with it?
Call it
And
too.
bowler. Straight to strength.
I'm grateful.
Real.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Aye. We are going to Holy Vibe, man. We're there on the ends, man, on a Friday, and that's just chill out, you see me? And that's a no say, yo, yeah. I bring the chill to the same way, you see me? Yeah, man, the music there. You see me? And we make music same way every day, non-stop, you see me? So here we are going on. Let's check out the visual.
Prophecy, man. Bad album, you know it go. Believe. I'm take me spirit too far, I'm too stamp, judge I never too far. My slay hands too hard, I'm a moon, I can see hand tune, ball cabin a barrel can't stop a true star. So what we die do, without judge and love. The blessing they fall from above. If I flesh with the hand of the ground, baby show me young. And what we die do, without judge and love. With mankind under the sun, bro. I'm full of bad mind out with them on. I want all the do. And I am mighty father. Now me corner. By a night me and make me part long. They wouldn't prosper. Like our bomb cash. The rain get me roof. When they fall for stress out and manga. Snip all ball cap.
You see me? Over there, I kick a vibe. Yes, I.
Naturally, you know.
So 1Vision, really and truly. My next pre, me that pre still in it. For a while, we there go on whole a vibe, talk about some things.
Naturally.
It's a second interview, and I say to myself, say, yo, tell me something about the journey. How you hold it, and how you a plot and a go through. Say, yo, you see me as an artist? You see me? Yeah.
Question, you know. Tell you the truth, you know. Yeah, man. Could I live a long time? Could I live a long time, man? Because we not to get no strength in my blood.
Yes,
yeah,
right.
man. To get no strength.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. But we have to fight the fight.
We have to fight the fight. The good fight, man. Right, man.
Work and pay off. Yeah, man. So we just go and put in the work and drop some single.
Each
Yeah, man.
day, you have to put in it.
Yeah,
Real.
man. Drop some single. We not to benefit our fight financially. No way. No farm. No shape. Me I tell you the truth. Just go and do a thing for the love, you know. Yeah, man. And when me sing me song them to you, in general. In reality, me I sing.
Cool, no,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Cool, no, man.
Reality,
Cool,
I
no,
will go
man.
through.
Straight.
Yeah, man. 1Vision, me have to get it clear. Yeah, man. The AI ball itself, my blood.
Because I know say, yo, certain struggles there if you know say, yo, here we are going on. Forget authentic rhythm is either basically you have to buy that or build it for yourself. Nobody now just give a rhythm out the road just so.
No.
Because some people them just mean, you see me?
Naturally,
They
you wanna
keep
jump on
replace-
your rhythm.
Yeah,
Producer now look for his side.
you see me? But
Producer
at the
now
same
look for
time,
his side.
yeah, give them the creativity same way.
Yeah.
And that we have to appreciate love still, you see me?
No complain.
No,
No,
complete,
complete,
you see me?
I struggle we have to face it.
That's why I have to ask a question there, the question the real as you say, you see me, the question the real.
Man, watch out. Even we artist brother now give you a rhythm. You know the game go. Music a corruption thing, you know.
Cool, no?
Yeah, man, the greatest thing and the blessing part of it, I know, so we find love.
Straight.
Out I think, I know. But a corruption thing, when you can do a thing on a level, versatility up, you know, flow and point and something, a message. You see me?
The message and
Intellect
point, as you
something.
say, yeah.
Yeah, me tell you, your own brother, them fear them thing them be done.
Cause you,
So them now go even give a rhythm.
and you real life you sing both.
If I collab, you think me to reach out for a collab more while, but what? A strength in a grant.
Yeah. Certain people,
Yeah,
certain
man.
artists hard.
Believe me, I tell you the truth, man.
They want to keep the opportunity for
Yeah,
themselves.
I know.
But here we are going on, we are still with positivity and persevere, cut and go through, same way, you see me?
Naturally.
Yes, I. So here we are going on. some of the people them who give the strength them more time. They say, yo, 1Vision, big up yourself in the higher. Yeah, hear the new music them in yo, you see me? Yo, charge it, hear what go on. If you do a video for the song there, you know, you see the song there bad enough, you see me? Yeah man, hear what go on, I don't want you big up couple of them people there. You know?
A finger say to you, a finger me can count for man, cause you see strength now.
Yeah.
Anonymous.
Anonymous.
Some people we even know. Say hard work pay off, man. 876 still, I could have never ungrateful, you see me? Yeah man. Cause his strength to get to can't pay beat, you see me? We go and do a thing and know say unity, man. You can't call no way for name still, man, you know? Thing change, man. More we put in work and more see progress. Fight the run and part, man. Yeah man.
Yeah, please. But you don't know straight, you see me?
Yes I man.
We have to know say, yo, yeah, at least a little 1 and 2 strength, they the same way, you see me?
Man, grateful, man, for real.
Yes, sir, like gun smoke, you see me more time gun smoke, they the fear. You see me?
Yeah, man.
See me in a couple of the video them more time and hear him for a couple of the bomba rhythm them and I say, yo, Jaja.
Yeah,
1Vision song, you know, but here, gun smoke, that voice that, you know. You see me?
Watch out, I'm general 876.
Yeah.
Them little thing they are my motivation.
Cool, man.
Yeah, me drop a tune there, me as a circle small and I make up
Circle
stories.
small, straight.
Yeah, man. Remember, me tell you, me general, them people, they run and space and motivate me and push me to go harder. Me tell you, yeah, man. And me say, sharp, man, the focus more wide.
Cool, man.
The unity has strength, you know.
Here you talk about our mama same way. You see me? So I know say you a certain instillment, certain lesson you learn in life. You know say you here what go on. Shout out mama and my song more time. Same way, you see me? Straight. You wanna respect to them little meds them more time charge, you see me? So here what go on, as we say we are staying in a positive zone. You see me? Yes. As I say, prosperity,
man. Just look out the album, man. Yeah, man. This June, man.
Yes,
they want to tell the date, man. Just look out, you know, cause you know a false start. It's not late. Let me tell them blood. Look out.
Alright, you say a word, you see me? Yeah. So people, yes I 876muzik, tell you to hear it from 1Vision on yourself, you see me? Look out for the album, you see me? Dropping very soon, this month, you see me?
Yes, I man.
What album name again?
Prophecy.
Yeah
man, I'm gonna shout out to some people.
Cool man, shout out them man.
Yeah man, I listen to them. You see me? Yeah man, I take the time out and give you a yes. I'm grateful for them things they know. Yeah man, cause no people judge, you know. Judge the book before they read all the page, you know. You see me? Yeah man, no people never told judge the first impression from my angle. Them listen to tune. You see me, good or bad comments here, I'm grateful. Yeah, me tell you fire, that's a journey. Yeah man, give thanks man, just go and tune in same way man, you don't know. Better life, happy in blood, pull it.
So what's it now? We'll cut out of the show with a special from 1Vision. You see me? So just pray the pray, like the pray, you see me? And now what? Yeah, about 1Vision.
What is life? 1Vision, it is.
Let me tell you this man, take break from the circle where you're there in youth. You hear that? You see if you can left the community and go somewhere else. Go. You hear me tell you? Because sometimes God want to bless you in a youth. And just through the circle where you're there around, you know. Just through the household where you're there in a youth. Make you not get a blessing, you know. Because God knows bless you around those people.
And the action of people that teach me to keep myself smaller. Come around, the life get harder. The life get harder. Couldn't say hard life, I mean not lie. Know the road still rugged and me all try. I push it all might and never palm nine. Stay a break, I'm awake, me they start grind. But still me can't strive, still I say dark time. Some of them are that salt and a plant climb. Come round when you open book you can't find. Drain my energy and show no grass pride. And the action of people who teach me to keep me circle smaller. Some come around your life get harder. Like lamb to the slaughter. And the action of people who teach me to keep me circle smaller. And make before me blame the Lord God. Me double check my corner. step. Cause no for opportunity, just have a few things. How cock your food dish as them finish the soup sim. Devil love your truly, when man about a hoosey. Just a pussy a benefit for your abuse with. As if them think me foolish, no plan to wear Gucci. Take care of me few kids like Barra computing. Investing in me music, bust and start shoot film. A student the youth live and not a fuck no. And the action of people who teach me fi keep me circle smaller. Some come around your life get harder, like lamb to the slaughter. And the action of people who teach me fi keep me circle smaller. And make before me blame the Lord God. Me double check my corner. Tired of the burn, and me have to learn from me mistake. Can't make light and dash at the same place. Some things have to change. Pop off loose sling for me chain. Cut the grass, no room for the snake. Watch all who a move strange. No for two face ready and choose it from you days, so me never too straight. When me dead feel when them Japan shoes lace. And brother run like Kool-Aid, like Biglet and Pooh Bear. Take the loose, make you get. And the people who teach me fi keep me circle smaller. Some come around your life get harder, like lamb to the slaughter. And the action of people who teach me fi keep me circle smaller. And make before me blame the Lord God. Me double check my corner.
And that's why we're stuck in that. I want to you, man. Find a one family member if you can go, man. Find a one friend if you can go. Go on, go take a little break and make God work for you a little bit. You hear them say outer side, outer mind? Take away yourself from the wicked them. Cause them say if you win, but them don't actually want you to win.